great internet marketing campaign should be a campaign that is fought on many fronts. That means you need to have your fingers in lots of pies and you need to find lots of ways to reach the widest audience possible. If you rely on just one method to build your brand and gain customers, whether that be PPC or SEO, then you're going to end up too reliant on that single source of traffic and you're going to greatly limit the amount of visitors you can appeal to. This is why it's important to make sure that Bing fits into your campaign. But it's also why Bing should only be one part of a much larger and multifaceted assault. Read on to learn more about the different aspects of internet marketing and how they should all coalesce into one single strategy. Content marketing. One thing that every business can benefit from these days is a blog. Having a blog allows you to create content on your site, and this will then give people a reason to come to your site. Key to understand here is that no one likes being sold to. If all your site is essentially one big advert, then you're not giving people any reason to keep visiting. You're not building loyal fans, trust, or a relationship. If the visitors don't want to buy then and there, then they will simply leave. By creating great content, you give people a reason to want to find you, and this will gain you regular traffic. Email marketing. If you can't capture sales, then capturing emails is the next best thing. This converts cold leads into warm leads, and it gives you a huge list of people you can potentially sell to. Social media. Social media has a similar end goal to email marketing. This gives you a way to reach the people who have proclaimed themselves your fans, and it allows them to share your content and to help more people find you. It also lets you build a closer relationship with your potential customers. SEO. Next comes SEO. One part of this is creating lots of great content, which you should already be doing. The other part of this is having lots of inbound links to your site and lots of people sharing what you do. You can encourage this by writing great content and being active on social media. This will help you to reach the top of Google and Bing for different search terms. PPC. Now comes PPC. This is a tool you can use to pay to reach the top of the search engines right away for your chosen keywords. That means you need to be making money back from these searches, so normally it will be used as means to send targeted visitors right to your sales page or e-commerce store. You can also use this as a way to test the organic keywords to try and rank for with SEO though. Using Google and Bing makes sure you gain 100% of this audience, and it also helps you to avoid direct competition in some cases. Bing is more affordable and has fewer advertisers competing for the same few spots.